how to delete your Gmail account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's not possible to just delete your Gmail account, but you'll need to delete your entire Google account if you want to delete your Gmail. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Open up your browser and head over to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you are logged in with the account that you want to delete. So something like this will show up, and on the left hand side you can see data and privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you'll need to scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find delete your account option. Just tap on it. And now you will need to put in your password, verify it's you, and then you can continue with the deletion process. So this is how it works. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.